Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know where to even begin. It's been a nightmare since yesterday because we had a big snowstorm and my boss let me go home about 3 hours early, thank God, because what usually take me about 55 minutes to get home took me about 4.5. And the last 2.5 hours, I spent literally about 10 minutes from my house. I was 10 minutes and I could not get home. The main problem everywhere was power lines were down. So they keep blocking off the roads. And every time they direct you to another road or you find another road that might work, the snow is so high. Everybody's skating off the road. There's so many cars in the ditches. Even trucks were being stuck. At one point, I did not know where I was, because when the wind blow up the snow, you're literally in a cloud of snow and you can't see. And every time that happened, I just stop so I don't run into something. And then to try to move the car again is usually a spin out, or you just can't make headway. Nightmare is what it was. Let me take this time to give a big shout out to Honda, because I have my BMW, which is 4-wheel drive, but I don't know what possessed me to drive my Civic yesterday. You probably see it in my other video. It's low profile tires on it, and it's only front wheel drive, so I don't know what possessed me to drive it. But it kept going and going and going yesterday. The only time I really had a problem is when the wind blew up the snow and it covered me. I stopped so I wouldn't hit anybody. But when I tried to get it started again, it kind of slid because it was icy and the snow was high. It didn't plow. But once it get going, oh, my baby took me home. On top of all of that, I come home and the power is out. No electric, no cable, no Wi-Fi. This house uses electric for everything. We have a well, so you need the electric to pump the water. So no water, no nothing. No heat. So nothing. So we're just getting ready to hit the road to get something to eat and find some place where have water to take a shower. My mother don't have any electric either. But I think my aunt is all good, so we might find ourselves at her house. But going on the road to see what's what. Can I just tell you guys, I've never slept so much in my life because there was nothing to do. I went to bed about 8 o'clock. No, yeah, around that. And then get up this morning about 9 a.m. That's too much sleep. But we had some bottles of water, so I use that to wash my face and brush my teeth. And my husband is making fun, but I had to find a way to do my eyebrows. Can't go on the road without that. I just want to show you guys the first daughter. She was shoveling and shoveling. All of that.
A lot of snow.
How does it look out there?
It's surprisingly nice. I don't understand, but the snow makes it bad.
But we still don't have no electric, so we have to hit the road.
I guess we have to just eat.
Wow, she's a comedian. Hey guys, let me point out this coat that she had to put on. She had it so buried deep in the closet. No, it's necessary, huh? But I'm gonna be nice to her. Guess why, guys? It's her birthday tomorrow.
I want all gifts.
Your gift is health and strength. How's that?
Not enough. I need power.
Wow. And money, right?
Money, yes. I have stuff for my car.
She's gonna be 26. Yay!
You know, the green stuff.
Anyway, you're done. Basically, I didn't know it was gonna be. I didn't even think about the fact that everybody probably having the same problems. So besides the traffic, all the food places have long lines because there's trees down everywhere. There's still power down everywhere, and everybody's crowding into these places for food. So that's another tedious task today. All right, guys, I found a Wawa. We're going in here because we can get like sandwiches and stuff. Jada's saying hi. So I got a text from our electric company, and they are telling us estimated power to be on the 7th. Can you imagine? No cable, no no electric, no water for 4 more days. Are they whack? Are they whack? You know, let me just worry about eating right now. This is too much. Just our luck. The food is a 30-minute wait, but it's not like we have somewhere to go. It's packed in here too. Unbelievable.
What happened?
Burnt sandwich.
Nice.
Yeah, they burnt a sandwich. Look, the place is flooded with, but you probably can't tell, but there's so much smoke in here. It's chaos. Yeah. Great, the fire alarm just went on. That helps. Hi guys, don't mind my hat, just came in from outside. We're actually at a friend's house for tonight, thank God. Our house is still freezing. Last night we showered and stuff at my aunt's house, but we slept at home. We light the fireplace and we huddled by the fireplace. But we woke up to cold, so our friend is being hospitable to us today. School districts are closed tomorrow, and I'm hoping that the electric is on at least by Tuesday. Cross our fingers. It's Monday, headed to work. Still no electric, of course. Thank God for some great friends who set up a nice guest room for us. Gave us nice dinner, dumpling and yam and ackee and saltfish. And some wine to wash it down. Woohoo! So we're hoping the electric come back sooner, but if it doesn't, well, what's for dinner tonight? It's Tuesday, on my way to work again. Spent another night at my friend's house, but this morning I stopped at home and surprise, surprise, my lights are back on. So nothing can ruin my day right now. But yeah, something is trying though, because guess what? This afternoon another storm is coming. So happy, happy, joy, joy for us. I just pray the lights don't go out again. But yeah, that's life for us for the last few days. So see what happens today. So I stopped in Walmart to get some juice and the bread for my egg sandwich in the morning. The shelf is empty. People, the storm is maybe one day. You don't have to buy out the whole store. The world isn't ending. So I managed to get some bagels. OMG. OMG. I never understood the logic. It's always bread, milk, egg, and water. Water, I kind of get, because you need that regardless. But why those items are always gone? Let's take a look outside. This is what I'm dealing with. And I'm trying to work from home. The power had the nerve to go off for about 10 minutes. Luckily it came back on, but I don't know why it wanted to do that to me after what I've been through. Look how beautiful these trees look. Don't let that fool you. But I think the worst is over. The storm is over. So I'm going to end this vlog.